Not every small business needs a warehouse or a big loan. In this countdown, I'm revealing 25 Amazon machines that actually earn, what they do, who they're for, and how quickly they can pay for themselves. We'll cover use cases, price ranges, and simple workflows you can start today. Product videos are on the Amazon pages, and every link is in the description so you can compare, shortlist, and launch faster. For more comprehensive details, visit our website, like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 25. VEVOR Button Maker Machine. Badges are tiny billboards, and they sell. This 58mm button maker turns logos, slogans, and event art into impulse-friendly merch for fairs, clubs, and campaigns. Die-cast construction provides smooth presses and consistent crimping, so you can knock out bulk orders fast. Offer tiered packs and bundle with stickers to raise average order value. Low material costs plus high perceived value equals strong margins, especially when you personalize on-site for events and school fundraisers. Number 24. FoxAlien Masuter Pro Router Machine. Monetize custom wood and plastic work, signs, trays, inlays, and small product runs. The Masuter Pro's rigid frame, ball screws, and expanded work area help you cut clean pockets and crisp lettering with fewer redos. Use common computer-aided design or computer-aided manufacturing, clamp blanks, and let the spindle handle repeatable jobs while you prep the next order. Sell on Etsy or to local boutiques. Upsell finishes, and add laser modules later. It's a capable bridge from hobby to side hustle production. Number 23. Bambu Lab P1S Combo 3 D-Printer. If you sell prototypes, props, and custom parts, speed and reliability pay. P1S prints up to 500mm per second, and the automatic material system handles multicolor or multi-material without babysitting. Auto bed leveling, filament runout sensing, and a closed chamber keeps surfaces clean and warping down. Standardize profiles for your top filaments, queue variations for clients, and deliver same-week iterations. It's a compact, pro-feeling setup that turns rapid manufacturing into a service. Fewer failed jobs, tighter deadlines, and happier repeat buyers. Number 22. xTool F1 Portable Laser Engraver. A compact engraver built for personalization at scale. Think nameplates, jewelry, tags, and giftables. The portable design and smart camera preview streamline alignment, while dual laser capability expands material options from coated metals to leather and wood. Batch jobs for weddings and corporate swag, or set up a pop-up booth for on-the-spot engraving. Clean results, fast cycles, and repeatable presets make it easy to price per piece and turn quick customizations into steady cash flow. Number 21. Creality K1C High-Speed 3D Printer. Fast-core XY printing for paid work. K1C combines high-speed motion with a reinforced hot-end and hardened nozzle, so carbon fiber and tough filaments stay reliable. Auto-leveling, enclosed airflow, and filament sensing cut down on failed jobs and reprints. Standardize slicer profiles, queue client variants, and deliver functional parts, props, and jigs on short timelines. With clean surfaces and predictable throughput, you can price per part, offer rush tiers, and turn rapid prototyping into a dependable revenue stream. Number 20. Commercial Soda Can Sealer. Package your beverages like a pro. Cold brew, juices, mocktails, and small batch sodas. An automatic can sealer delivers clean seams, reduces leaks, and extends shelf presentation, which boosts customer trust. Standardize fill levels, date stamp lids, and build 4-packs for retail fridges and pop-ups. It's ideal for cafes and cottage producers who want the polish of canned product without investing in a full line. Reliable sealing plus consistent labeling equals a product you can price with confidence. Number 19. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE3D Printer. A dependable starter printer for monetizing prototypes, cosplay parts, and custom accessories. The Ender 3 V3 SE is designed for quick setup and smooth first layers. with modern quality-of-life features that reduce tinkering and failed jobs. Use a textured build plate for easy part release, keep common filaments on hand, and standardize your slicer profiles for repeat orders. Sell small batch runs to local makers, repair shops, and Etsy customers. Fast turnarounds and low material costs make the numbers work. Number 18. Sawgrass SG 500 Sublimation Printer. If you want vibrant, durable prints on mugs, shirts, and coated metals, the SG 500 is a proven entry point. Purpose-built for sublimation, it pairs with color-managed software workflows to keep output consistent across batches, combined with a heat press and reliable blanks to offer corporate swag, team merch, and photo gifts. Price per piece, charge for personalization, and bundle sets to raise order values. It's compact, predictable, and ideal for turning custom graphics into real, repeatable revenue. Number 17. AIEVE Chocolate Dipping Bowl for KitchenAid. Turn your stand mixer into a small confectionery station. This stainless dipping bowl helps melt and coat nuts, fruits, and candies with smooth, glossy finishes customers crave. It's simple to clean, sized for practical batches, and perfect for almond clusters, pretzel rods, and seasonal assortments. Sell by weight at markets or pre-pack gift boxes for holidays. Low ingredient costs, quick production, and irresistible presentation make this an easy add-on business, especially when you pair flavors and launch limited editions. Number 16. Cricut Joy Machine. Personalization sells, and this compact cutter lets you produce it anywhere. Cricut Joy handles cards, labels, decals, and quick heat transfer vinyl details without taking over your desk. Use the card bundle to offer custom greetings, invitations, and thank you notes for boutiques and events. Turn around names, monograms, and signage in minutes, then upsell matching stickers or gift tags. It's a low-noise, low-footprint tool that makes on-demand customization a real service. Great margins, fast fulfillment, and happy repeat clients. Number 15. Crafter's Companion Gemini 2 Electric Die Cutter. When your business is cards, boxes, and intricate paper goods, clean cuts mean fewer remakes and higher profits. The Gemini 2's strong, even pressure tackles, detailed dies, and thicker stacks with reliable edge-to-edge results. Batch similar jobs, keep plate sandwiches consistent, and you'll fly through wedding suites, party favors, and branded packaging. Pair with foil accents and premium cardstock to command higher pricing. It's a production-minded cutter for creators who want speed, precision, and professional finishes. Number 14. Cricut EasyPress 3 Heat Press Machine. The easiest way to add heat transfer profits without a bulky press. EasyPress 3 pairs with the Cricut app for dialed-in time and temp, helping designs survive wash after wash. The 12x10 plate covers adult tees and totes, while even heating keeps results consistent. Perfect for home-based apparel, school spirit wear, team jerseys, or event merch runs. Combined with smart vinyl and a cutter, price your designs by complexity and turn quick custom jobs into repeat customers. Number 13. Silhouette Cameo 4. A workhorse cutter for decals, apparel graphics, labels, and packaging mockups. Cameo 4 brings stronger downforce, fast cuts, and a generous width for common vinyl and heat transfer vinyl rolls. Use Silhouette Studio to turn client ideas into precise vector outputs, then upsell installation or heat transfer application. From storefront lettering to custom mug decals, you'll produce clean, repeatable results with minimal waste. It's affordable, compact, and the perfect on-ramp to a profitable micro sign and merch studio at home. Number 12. xTool S140 Watt Enclosed Laser Engraver and Cutter, an enclosed 40-watt laser built for production. The xTool S1 cuts and engraves wood, acrylic, leather, and coated metals with crisp edges. Safety interlocks, precise focusing, and optional air assist keep results consistent and smoke contained. Add a rotary to handle tumblers and rings for higher ticket stock keeping units. Camera positioning and material presets reduce setup time, so repeat orders flow. Sell plaques, signage, gifts, and promo pieces. The tidy enclosure suits small shops, markets, and mobile booths that value clean operations. Number 11. Fancierstudio Digital Heat Press, a staple for apparel businesses that need consistent, repeatable transfers. The 15x15 platen covers adult tees and tote bags, while digital time and temperature help designs survive wash after wash. Pair with heat. Transfer vinyl, direct-to-film transfers, or sublimation blanks to expand your catalog quickly. Batch pressing is straightforward. Pre-press, press, peel, repeat, so you can hit deadlines and scale orders. Bundle shirts with hats and bags to increase order value, and keep standardized settings for fast, reliable production. Number 10. Rollo Wireless X1040 Label Printer. Labels that print fast mean orders that ship faster. The Rollo X1040 connects via Wi-Fi, supports major platforms, and prints 4x6 shipping labels at speed without ink or toner. It's perfect for Etsy, Amazon fulfilled by merchant, and Shopify sellers who want a tidy workstation and fewer print errors. Auto detection simplifies setup, while thermal rolls keep costs predictable, cut fulfillment time, reduce mislabels, and boost customer reviews with cleaner packaging and reliable tracking. Efficiency that shows up on your bottom line. Number 9. Brother QL 1100 Wide Format Label Printer. When you need versatility beyond shipping, the QL 1100 handles 4-inch wide formats for barcodes, product labels, and shelf tags. Plug-and-play templates help you standardize stock-keeping units and pricing so your team can pick, pack, and restock faster. It's great for pop-up shops, small warehouses, and maker studios that need clean, scannable labels on demand. With rapid print speeds and crisp output, you'll streamline inventory and present a more professional brand across packaging, bins, and retail displays. Number 8. Fresh Roast SR 540 Coffee Roaster. Test, learn, and sell small batch roast without a commercial setup. The SR 540 gives you manual control over heat and fan, so you can dial in profiles, then document and repeat. Roast in small increments, build a flight, and let customers pick favorites. It's ideal for farmers markets and cafe pilots. Low green bean cost, strong perceived value, and great storytelling. Use consistent packaging. Date stamp every batch, and you'll turn sampling into subscriptions and steady weekend revenue. Number 7. HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine. Automated pressure and even heat are the difference between hobby and production. HTVRONT's auto press lowers and lifts for you, stabilizing results across tees, totes, and flat blanks. Presets shorten setup time and help part-timers hit pro consistency. It pairs perfectly with direct-to-film transfers and sublimation sheets for fast, repeatable runs. Batch jobs while you prep art and packaging, standardize your pricing by placement and size, and deliver merch with confidence. Less rework, more margin, happier clients. Number 6. Epson SureColor F170 Sublimation Printer. A compact, purpose-built sublimation printer that delivers color you can count on. The F170 handles mugs, shirts, mouse pads, and coated metal plates with predictable output, making it easy to price jobs and hit deadlines. Pair it with a reliable heat press and quality blanks to minimize waste and returns. Create theme bundles, team gear, corporate swag, wedding favors, and upsell personalization per item. It's a tidy footprint with pro results, perfect for a home studio or small retail corner. Number 5. Dymo Label Writer 4 XL Shipping Label Printer. The classic thermal workhorse for 4x6 shipping labels. Dymo's 4 XL is fast, quiet, and integrates with popular marketplaces, making it a natural fit for solo operators and small teams. Thermal tech means no ink surprises. Just swap rolls and keep orders moving. Use it for fulfillment network stock keeping unit, barcodes, and warehouse bin labels to tighten your inventory game. Cleaner labels, fewer jams, and dependable output translate to smoother fulfillment and better customer experiences, key ingredients for repeat business. Number 4. Want Join Cup Sealing Machine. Streamline bubble tea, iced coffee, and smoothie service with fast, mess-free seals. Want Join's sealer handles paper and plastic cups and tracks throughput so you can staff smarter during rush. A clean seal reduces spills, improves presentation, and keeps delivery orders intact. Critical for ratings. Offer seasonal flavors, loyalty upgrades, and multi-size cups. The machine keeps pace while your team focuses on speed and service. It's a straightforward upgrade that raises capacity and perceived quality in one move. Number 3. Cricut Maker 3 Smart Cutting Machine. From premium decals to packaging prototypes, Maker 3 cuts smart materials at speed with impressive precision. Take on larger signage, layered heat transfer vinyl, and intricate stencil jobs without constant mat swaps. The result? Faster turnarounds and cleaner edges you can price confidently. Pair with a heat press for apparel bundles and sell coordinated sets, labels, stickers, and cards for weddings and boutiques. With the right workflow, this cutter becomes a mini production line for profitable personalization and brand collateral. Number 2. Brother ScanCut SDX 125 E-Electronic Cutting Machine. Built-in scanning unlocks fast, accurate contour cuts around printed graphics and hand-drawn art. No extra software hoops. That means quick sticker sheets, packaging windows, and shaped labels that look pro without a learning cliff. Auto blade sensing helps reduce miscuts, and the quiet operation suits home studios. Monetize small runs for local shops and crafters, charge per sheet, and offer rush fees when deadlines loom. It's a creator-friendly cutter that turns ideas into clean, sellable products quickly. Number 1. Square Terminal Credit Card Machine. Get paid anywhere. Counter, curbside, or event booth. Square Terminal takes cards, contactless, and chip payments, prints receipts, and ties into your catalog, so inventory and taxes stay tidy. Fast checkout boosts lines, tipping, and overall sales, while analytics show top items and peak hours. Add simple loyalty, invoices, and online ordering to expand beyond foot traffic. For pop-ups, cafes, and service businesses, it's the revenue engine that makes everything else possible. Smooth transactions and clean books. That's the countdown. If one of these machines sparked an idea, check the links in the description for current prices, product videos, and my starter checklist. Drop a comment telling me which one you'd start with and why. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone building a side hustle. New gear rundowns every week. See you in the next one.